Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Sam. He lived in a small village and loved to run and play all day. But Sam's shoes were very old. They had holes and made his feet hurt. One day, Sam found a shiny pair of shoes near the river. They sparkled in the sunlight and looked brand new. A little note said, "These are magic shoes. Use them wisely." Sam put them on, and suddenly zoom, he ran faster than the wind. He jumped high, like a kangaroo. He could even dance like a pro. Everyone in the village was amazed. Sam helped people by running errands, bringing water, and chasing away wild goats from the fields. The magic shoes made him a hero. But one day, the shoes started to fade. A voice whispered, "Magic only lasts when used kindly." Sam understood. He had used the shoes to help others, and that was the real magic. From that day on, even without magic, Sam stayed kind, helpful, and happy.